Overthinking can be distracting issues that can be managed with the combination of healthy habits and talking to a professionals. Healthy habits try to build activities like meditation, reading, or taking a walk into your routine to reduce your baseline anxiety. You can also try eating a well balanced diet and exercising. Distraction. When you are overthinking, try distracting yourself until you are ready to address the problem. Talk to someone. If you are struggling to find relief, share your thoughts and feelings with a friend, family member, or specialist. This type of therapy can be help you learn coping strategy like behavior therapy, grounding exercising, try breathing deeply or doing other grouping exercises. Write down your thoughts. You can break your thoughts into actionable steps. Practice gratitude, focus on the present moment and connect to something larger than yourself. Take a step back. Deal with things one at a time. Wait before acting. Wait at least 24 hours before replying or taking any harm action. If your thought are interests you, highly distracting or interfering with your ability to function, you should contact to your doctor immediately. Accept or deny your thoughts. The brain is 6 easy way to stop overthinking every little thing. The first is destructive thought patterns. Notice when you are stuck in your head. Keep the focus on problem solving. Challenge your thoughts. Schedule time or reflection. Train your brain. Distance yourself as much as possible from negative people, both at work and your personal life. Practice better self care and try to relax after work, possible through meditation to have a better night's sleep. Work out a daily routine with a to-do list that prevents negative thought from taking over. Understand the mind-body connection. Understanding how to control your mind begins with realizing that you are in full control of your state. A type of therapy called conjunctive behavior therapy is effective for overcoming overthinking to recognize conjunctive errors. It helps one learn to first identify the errors, then to reframe the thinking in more logical and balanced way. Schedule your worry time. Overthinking can stem from various sources including fear of making mistakes, stress, or a history of emotional trauma. Sometimes it might be associated with mental health condition like anxiety or depression. If thought related to the stress present themselves at right, you can respond by simply telling yourself, I don't need to think about this right now. Instead, I will think about it tomorrow during my scheduled worry time. These affirming thought can shut down racing thought and allow you to get sleep. Meditation, exercise, journalism, digital detox, social support, keep your space clean, self-care are the main precautions points to take care overthinking. Simple step to stop negative thoughts. Pause a moment. If you are feeling stressed or stuck in negative thinking pattern, pause. Notice the difference between being being stuck in your thoughts. Label your thoughts, choose your intention. Main 2 points, these are the very important for stop overthinking. These are: please avoid negative people which harm your emotion or your mental label. Any type of negative thoughts, any type of negative thinking, negative, any type of reason, or you find any pattern, avoid these type of people. And if you want to overcome from overthinking, you try to Gayatri mantra. If overthinking comes in your mind, please try to jap Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tasviturvarenyam Bhargo Devastadhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Or you can simply take breath and see your breath and listen your breath and listen your breath, concentrate your breath, only listen your breath, nothing else, only deep breathing and listen your breath, concentrate your breath. It also works. And the third method is Om. You can like jap Om. Om. It also works. Please try these methods to overcome from overthinking. It really works. Thank you.